Here's a space-saving shoe rack you can find on Temu for generally under $5. Let's check it out. Here's the box. Inside you got the instruction manual and a bunch of thin steel rods. These are very thin and very light, and plastic connectors. Take a look at the manual real quick. Feel free to pause if you want to read this. All right, let's put it together. Now this is the 3-tier rack. You can also get a 5-tier version. Step 1 is take 4 of the 10-centimeter tubes and attach the plastic feet. Then grab 2 plastic connectors and insert the tubes into the bottom holes. This is what it should look like. And these connectors have holes on the side that we'll use for the next step. Grab 4 of the longest tubes and insert them into the holes on the side. Grab your other connector and attach it to the other side in the same way. All right, so this is what it should look like. And then we pretty much repeat those steps for the remaining tiers. So we'll run through it real quick. Grab 4 of the 17-centimeter tubes, place them in the top, attach one of the plastic connectors, insert the long tubes, and then attach the plastic connector to the other side. All right, repeat that again. And there we go. So you can stop now if you want, or we can add the railing on top. To do that, grab the remaining 10-centimeter tubes and attach them to the angled joints, and then connect them with the 22-centimeter tubes like this. Take the railing and insert it into the top. And that's it. This is what it should look like. It's very, very light. It seems sturdy enough for shoes or other light things. So this rack can hold 6 pairs of men's shoes, or maybe more for women's shoes. The shelf width is about 21 inches of usable space, about 6.5 inches between shelves, and it's about 18 inches tall, not counting the rails, or 22 inches counting the rails. Temu says this rack can hold about 13 pounds, and that's probably about right. You don't want to pick it up with these shoes on it because it will come apart. But it does seem stable enough for shoes or other light things, like microphones or headphones, purses, towels, stuff like that. So bottom line, for under $5, it's a pretty good deal. Easy to put together, very light, and sturdy enough for shoes or other light things. So if you want to check it out for yourself, I'll be sure to have links in the description below.